What's up, YouTube? This is Tom with Fresh Vintage. Today we are pairing a new key fob. We got this from Amazon. We're going to pair it to our '05 Acura TSX. Thinking of this, my wife has an '03 Honda Pilot, and this is a very similar process. So this is a real easy, fast process, and we got this off Amazon. They're readily available. This one's already programmed. You'll hear it. But here's the challenge. Don't get fooled like we did. You got to take the key out, and then they work. So I'll show what I mean at the end. So the way to program this is you want to turn this on, push the button, turn it off, turn it on, push the lock button. Do this 4 times. The 4th time, I'm going to go into the 4th time now, you'll hear the door locks. Car's in programming mode. You have to hit this again. It's programmed, and then you do this. Now, if you get to this step and you push this button and you're like, what WTF, this isn't working, it's because the key's in the ignition. So pull the key out, and then this works. And we just programmed both of these doing that exact method. So real quick, fast way to go. Works on Acuras. I'm assuming this is the same thing because my wife's '03 Honda Pilot is the exact same process. But definitely check out the link for these we have in the description of the video you're watching. And with that, if you like classic cars and muscle cars, if you like tech and keeping your car certified fresh, Fresh Vintage is your channel. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.